Okay, I'm back. Is there music playing?
Hello, yes, I was
Hi.
living.
I imagine. Also, now I've got to go through this list and find which questions. Or question.
Oh god, is there sleeping with my sister on it?
No, that's not. Like I said, it popped in, like, as literally, there's a section of it where it's just like, I don't want her to read this stuff. And it's like, if I do this, I probably won't hand her the book. And then she just panicked and did it anyways. And it's like,
You know, an easy way to get someone to not read something,
is to not give him the book.
to not write it down.
Or that.
Oh damn.
Look, Chenmir's plan didn't go according to plan, if you couldn't guess.
Yeah, nope.
What is this
You're
on
not.
the- Yes.
It was incredible. I was genuinely just amazed at how bad you are at talking.
It's fantastic. It's so much fun.
I was thinking about it. You were thinking about sleeping with my sister?
No, I meant the phrase.
Bro, like, what were you doing? What are you doing?
God.
No, but in my head it's just like, yeah, just don't make a comment on that. Then I'm like, but it's so much more fun if I do.
You want die?
You want to die? This is how you die.
Yeah. You want to make your girlfriend jealous and angry? This is how you make your girlfriend jealous and
Not
angry.
jealous, just angry.
I'm back.
Hi.
Jealous.
Lord Almighty.
I tried to write it as much like how Chedimir would write fucking
Yeah,
notes.
yeah, I very much get that. I very much get that.
Also, none of you are gonna see this unless you, like, literally steal her book. Just let you know.
Who's here and who's not?
I mean, I'm assuming it's something
Yeah.
like a 13-year-old girl's like little love diary journal about the Jonas
Not
Brothers.
wrong.
I was
what I'm
also not
picturing.
Wow, fucking call me
Yeah.
out, okay?
plus
But, hey, look, he was assuming it anyway. It's not new information to him.
Wow, there's so many spelling errors.
That
I
tracks.
spelled Marshall wrong.
Did you write down
Right
Anella
here.
is so cute.
So did I.
Marshall is so hot.
No.
Did you rate them on a scale of 1 to 10?
No. I'm not suicidal. She just wanted something that would possibly stop her from giving Anella the book. Not, I want to die.
So, did you write down Chedimir plus Anella and like hearts?
I mean, that might be on a different page.
Her with your last name.
She
Yeah.
doesn't know Anella's last name, or if she has a last name, so no.
Anella of Froststone or whatever your last name.
That'd be lame.
It's in there somewhere.
What is Anella's name? I'll say out of game, she does have a last name, sort of. It's awkward.
It's a situation.
It's a situation. Alright.
You could keep
Because I
both names.
we're all back, or
Give each other's names.
Is Taryn back? She's still muted.
Yeah, she's just muted, I think.
Okay.
let's.
Really
I didn't
role playing
realize I
that now.
muted myself.
Okay, so we're all back. Okay, good. So we can start this absolute mayhem. Okay, so as Anella's reading this, just sort of coasting through this, she's like, smiling constantly throughout all of this. Sometimes she smiles more wickedly, sometimes she smiles more cutely, more genuinely, stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then she, wait, hold on, I need a book to sound effect with. Sound effect, fully work. There, she's looking through it, just sort of page, and then she has a wide, mirthful, wicked smile on her face. Chenmir, turn around.
Shit.
She
Turn around.
doesn't say anything, she just does it. There's obvious hesitation.
She hits you in the back of the head.
Why did you... Oh shit, I forgot about that part.
Let's see. I'll probably forget this. If I just give you my damn book again, just smack me on the back of the head.
Look,
I've now done it.
I did forget that.
Indeed. So now I've helped you with it.
You hit really fucking hard.
Tut tut. So, ask your question, so that way, if I answer the question of my choosing, it won't be the same question. This is what you as Garth have to pick now.
I was skimming through it and I'm just like, I don't know which fucking one to pick.
I have like 3 in like potentiality.
So why do you think I picked 3? Because it's actually like a large group.
Yeah, because there's only 2 I have to answer, so like
Yeah.
I'm fine regardless.
Stuff up here. Da 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 da. Wait, look at something.
I just send this to the
Oh,
whole
jeez,
group
I
at this point.
No. I forgot how much I fucking
my-
ramble. Oh yeah.
Oh my god. So sad when I send the book out to everyone. Oh damn it, everyone.
Let's go with the how many relationships she's had in the past.
That's the one you're going to.
I mean, she could
That's
ask a
the one
name.
you're going to.
It could be that, or it could be the name one, but I don't know.
Why would you ever ask that?
I literally okay here. This I'll show you this part. I'll show you this part. Where is it?
Everyone in this chat is like, oh. Man, this really does speak well of Chat. Take an inspiration point, Chat, there for playing to your absolute social awkwardness.
There was okay. I forgot to write this in there, but there was literally a line that says, "I know this is something you probably shouldn't ask someone."
Exactly that. Fucking Kanye. Wait, is that Kanye? No, that's not Kanye. Never mind.
Anyways, yeah.
It's just, and now it does a similar thing as the rest of us. You really want to pick that one? 100%, dear.
No, I take that back. Fuck, I made it already awkward.
If you want, I haven't answered it yet.
Yeah, sure. Let's go. Let's take that one back. Can't tell she's fucking panicking again. Da 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 da. It's either the portal or the gems. Okay, real quick.
I'm happy I have this beer today, man. This is great.
This is fantastic.
Is this what playing while drinking is like? This is great.
Great. Okay, real quick about Cheddar's memories of the Feywild and everything. I think you said she remembers, let's just say, between the portals, but she doesn't remember what happened, really. She remembers that that's a thing.
What do you mean?
Like, when she went, at the very end, she went into the portal, stuff happened, she came out the other side, and then she forgot. She remembers the stuff happened in the middle, or?
No, you don't remember the stuff. You know something happened, but you don't know what.
Okay. Let's... Why did you give me one?
Because
I'm
I'm a Noah.
Yeah. Let's go with that.
There are some of these I will say as a GM are pretty good.
Say what?
There are some of these I will say as a GM are very good.
Cool. I'm definitely not going to pick them.
Oh, okay, good. Good to know.
What do you know of the space between portals? The rainbow kind of place. Let's go with that one.
What?
Whoa, dude. Want me.
Aw.
The space between portals... I'm afraid you have to elaborate here.
Oh, that's concerning. I picked the one question you might not be able to answer.
I may be able to answer it, but there's a lot of things that it could potentially be. You have to be more specific.
Okay, so you know how I got my memories back about the Feywilds?
Yes.
That's not 100% true. It's like
To raise an eyebrow.
95% true.
And the remaining 5%?
Well, one of them I think involved the Queen of Winter, and I honestly don't want to know that one. And the second one...
That would be very wise not to know it.
Yeah. And the second one was when I left, there was something. Just when I was going through, there was just something else that happened there. There was weightlessness, but then also weight and colors, just rainbows. And I think someone talking, but not.
Rainbows. If you're not told me that particular detail, I'd say you're simply in the void. And that is, honestly, a very general answer I can give you. Most travel takes you through the void when you're going between realms. The void is everywhere. Unless you have bridges, doorways set up, like mine. The
sorry, continue.
the other aspect you're speaking of, it sounds like you were in some sort of, as I said, bridge or doorway that was previously constructed. If you didn't go through the void, you had to have gone through one of those.
Oh, yeah, yeah, when, to get through, Laura painted a picture.
No, my dear. It's,
Oh, it's
different.
different? Oh.
Portal's like, I do not know the full details of this portal Laura set up for you, but from the time period that you had this happen, this was before the veil between worlds got thinned. Meaning a portal like the one she would have had to create would have been, how to say, staggered. I'll have to be perfectly honest with you, Chedamir. I don't know. I honestly don't know. And for that, I failed to answer, so you may ask me another question.
Okay. Well,
How many relationships?
I'm okay with that answer, I guess.
If you accept it as a full answer, which I promised I would answer fully, then you may, and you do not get a second question, but I personally do not believe.
Yeah, I would prefer the second question, please.
Then ask.
Yeah. It's, relation. Don't ask the relation one.
Chedamir's like looking at her book and muttering this.
Yeah, basically. Press
You think Chedamir's a jock when actually she's just a nerd?
Yeah. How impressed Cedric and Valeska, probably not get shot in the chest.
Isn't that how it always is?
We're going Travis William over here. I watched his behind the sheets thing with Brian Foster. He's a very interesting person.
I really need to watch those. They seem very cool.
Yeah, Travis is super chill.
I'm saying.
He's like he started as a nerd, but then his growth spurt hit, then he was a jock nerd, and then I don't even know anymore.
He's a beautiful butterfly.
Basically.
I want to know the
It's
age
called being
thing,
a
but
jerk.
it's not the most important thing.
The best question is the one you.
Could you say that again? I couldn't hear you.
The best question is the one
Oh.
you actually ask.
Good point.
Busy Discord has good timing, as always.
Mm-hmm.
Unless it's how many people have you been with?
Then don't ask that one.
I mean, it's a genuinely, like, that's what you kind of ask sometimes, you know? It's just, like, interesting.
Not when
about
you
it.
have a limited amount of questions with the person you're talking to.
This shit is usually asked when you're, like, in
Scat.
bed. It's just, like, in the middle of the night. Like, so how many people have you been with? And they're like, I don't know.
Stab.
Roll over. Portals to her own house. Let you sleep alone for the night.
Oh, that would be fucking harsh. I just cannot pick this fucking question, can I? Okay, how about...
You should ask the group. Show the group and ask.
No, they're not allowed to see this. Because I know it
My
will
guy.
probably bug Dragana. How about, is she fine with her and Lara being friends?
But of course.
I want to insight check the shit out of that.
You may roll insight.
I mean, she's being
Okay.
honest, but at the same time, it's like, is there a deeper meaning than that? 17.
Chedamir, I know you're trying to discern my intent. But no, and remember, fairies can't lie.
I know. But there's always, like, more than
But
one
we're
meaning to
very-
things.
Shifting and wiggly, yes, I'm well aware.
Wiggly.
But no, I'm perfectly... Hush. I'm perfectly fine with you and Lara being friends, although I'm not 100% certain you are friends at this point, considering how you haven't seen each other in apparently a very long time. Perhaps you still are friends. I honestly don't know.
I should probably talk to her.
Perhaps. But you being friends with her, I see no problem with. I'm friends with her.
Okay, cool. That's actually very
Shadowmare?
relieving. Mm-hmm.
Don't get half-second thoughts when I say she and I are friends.
Mm-hmm.
Shadowmare.
Oh wait, I get what you're saying now. No, yeah, gotcha. Look, that was because I was concerned. You're okay. Anyways,
Now, onto the question of my choosing. What is my name? Now that would be a very easy one to answer, wouldn't it?
I mean, I already know part.
Indeed.
Yeah. I am genuinely curious about the order.
My sister, the most stereotypical fairy.
Ah, damn it.
Would you rather pick another one?
I mean, that's one of those things where I was like, oh, hey, I probably won't let her see this, yeah. Like, I don't particularly care.
Very well, pick something
Yeah.
else. Well, this might be one more pertinent. How does one impress Cedric and Valeska? Now, I will have to tell you, quite harshly, it is very hard to impress Cedric. He is quite dead to the world. More so than Connor. Valeska, on the other hand, pranks. Elaborate pranks. Long-term pranks, preferably.
That one, I almost could have guessed. She's very fairy-like.
Well, it's not the
let's
only
say that.
answer.
Yeah.
She is also a very big fan of... She gets a wide smirk on her face. Love novels.
I knew it.
Not something that she and Cedric share, but he's tolerant of it. That being said, you might have a hard time finding a novel she hasn't read. She's very active in her pursuit.
Shadowmare can write one.
Don't steal my ideas!
Hey, man, it's Shadowmare right here. I don't know, man.
It would be
Oh.
atrocious, and we all know it.
But onto the matter of a real answer for Cedric, or then it would be difficult. Simply competent.
Well, glad I have completely nailed that in the past week.
Well, he hasn't been watching you entirely during it, so you're fine. But that's simply just how Cedric is. He doesn't really want or care for much in the world or in life. He just wants to do his job and get done with it.
So, you think suggesting we head out tonight might have been something along those lines?
Likely.
Okay.
Although I assure you that he has ulterior motives with this suggestion. But I don't particularly imagine that's surprising to you. So, I believe that's 2.5, and she gives her a wink, questions answered.
Okay. I mean, feel free to answer more if you want. Please.
And what would I get out of that?
Watching me squirm because it's very entertaining?
I don't need to answer questions in order to do that, dear.
Damn it.
Exactly. Now come on, the others are waiting.
Okay, fine.
Then you and her head on down, and we can get this trip underway. As Marshall and Tyler are loading up their bento crates,